San Francisco is easily our most photogenic city, but too often we don't take the time to stop for a minute and enjoy our surroundings because life gets in the way. I've got a really good fix, and that's called photo walking. Here's a really easy 60-minute each-way walk from one of San Francisco's most beloved sites, the Painted Ladies of Alamo Square, to one of the least visited and way overlooked buildings in the city, the Old Mission Delores. So we'll begin at Alamo Square, originally built as a watering hole for horses en route to the mission in the 1800s. Here you'll see those colorful Victorians that everyone recognizes from the opening credits of the Full House TV show. Pro tip for photos: walk to the top of the park for your best shot to look down at the buildings and use the telephoto lens on your smartphone to get the skyline visible in the background. After you've picked up your money shot, walk back down to the street and don't be shy. Get some nice close-ups of the buildings as well. Aren't they beautiful? Once done, continue down Pierce Street for 5 blocks. You will merge onto Sanchez where, if you want to take a break, the DuBose Park Cafe at 2 Sanchez makes a wonderful resting and snack stop. You will merge onto Sanchez for 4 blocks until you cross 16th Street. Go 2 blocks and you'll end up at the Old Mission. This is the oldest still intact building in San Francisco. Construction began way back in 1776. Can you believe it? The Mission is open for tours from 9 to 4. Don't miss it. You'll get your best shot of the Old Mission from the Meridian across the street. And don't forget to check out the cemetery out back, which was used by Alfred Hitchcock in his love letter to San Francisco, Vertigo. Once in the Mission District, if you're up for more walking, you'll need to continue another 8 blocks to get into the heart of the action. On 24th Street, there are so many great restaurants for lunch or a snack. We especially like the homemade tamales at La Palma Mexicatesten, but you pretty much can't go wrong anywhere in the area. And that, folks, is our photo walk from the Painted Ladies to the Mission. Have fun? Please stay tuned for more Photowalks TV episodes. You might enjoy our full-length pieces on the Mission District and those amazing murals. See you on the next photo walk, everyone.